What has basically happened today is that I was given an opportunity to be brought up to date with what has transpired so far, which I believe is very important, and I believe I commend the system here in Belize in relation to doing that. Um, I have been promised the depositions or the evidence that has been taken in the matter so far, and then I've asked for about 3 weeks to really study the materials. That time was afforded to me by the court, and I'm indeed grateful for that. I believe we have set a date in June where we will try to run the trial from that date non-stop. All right? Because there are 5 councils in the matter, I would suppose that other councils have their own uh, timeline and agenda to work with in terms of their diary, the scheduling of matters. So it was not a challenge. I believe we all consented to a time period in which I can return to Belize and we can deal with the trial right through. So that's all that really transpired today. The court accommodating us, and I believe I'm so appreciative of that, um, for us to be properly prepared to continue the trial from where it had stopped.
Will this be one of your most challenging cases thus far, seeing that at least 18 witnesses has already taken the stand, and then there are already some evidence that have been taken in as well?
Well, the court took care of that. What the court said is that when we would have had an opportunity to review the evidence, the court will give us an opportunity to recall those witnesses. And I think that was the best thing that can happen because let's say each lawyer has their own style. And let's say a lawyer might have, in his or her own style, might have said, listen, I allow this evidence to go without testing it. The court is giving us an opportunity to do that now. And I think the court is doing its best to ensure that this trial is a fair one. And I think that goes well for the jurisprudence of Belize.